10 Amazing Facts About Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean covers about a third of the Earth's surface at 165 million square kilometers. It is even bigger than all of the world's land area combined. Its length is roughly 5 times longer than the Moon's diameter. Scientists estimate the total water volume in the Pacific to be about 714 million cubic kilometers. The Pacific is a common crash site for satellites. The Pacific Ocean shrinks annually by 0.52 square kilometers. The deepest part of the Pacific is in the Mariana Trench. At 10,928 meters below the surface, it is also the deepest place on Earth. There are over 25,000 islands in the Pacific Ocean. Scientists say that Pacific water level has been rising at a rate of 10 millimeters per year over the last 20 years. In 1520, Ferdinand Magellan and his Spanish crew became the first recorded group to cross the Pacific. Its shape is roughly triangular.